Hi there. Welcome to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where I bring you healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very popular Ghana dish called etor. Keep watching. Hi guys, so if you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, I wanted to take the time to talk to you a little bit about this dish and also our star ingredient, which is the plantain. This dish usually in Ghana is made during a wedding or naming ceremony or birthday. It's usually made during special occasion basically, okay? You can either make it with yam or plantain. And if you look at the plantain I have here, I have 3 different batches of plantain. This one right here, which is the green tends to have no sugar in it. It has a lot of resistant starch, which is really good for diabetics. And then yesterday when I bought this one, it wasn't as ripe as this one. But today it looks like it had kind of ripened a little bit up more. So this we usually will use for etor because it's not too soft and it's not green. I tend to like the plantains more towards the greener ones because they have less sugar. And if you're to touch this one, you will feel that it's kind of softer, and we use that for a different kind of dish called kelawili, which I'll show you tomorrow how to cook it. So for today, I'm going to be using this. And then when you look at the ingredients, I have something here that I've never used, which is called dawa dawa. Dawa dawa is a very food enhancer in Ghana, and it's also very medicinal. Some people use it to treat high blood pressure, some use it to treat strokes. And we have our palm oil. I just wanted to also let you know I have all these in my blogs on my website. Please feel free to check it out and read it. There's so many benefits to these ingredients, okay? I just wanted to point that out. Let's get cooking now. This clay dish that we use in Ghana to grind stuff, and also we eat in it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Everything that I'm showing you, I'm going to also put a link to it from Amazon so that if you want it, you can go ahead and purchase it. I have 3 peppers here. Actually 4. I like pepper. You don't have to put 3. You can only put 2 or 1. Hi guys, so we finished our etor or tour, however you want to call it. It's the same thing. Let me taste it and tell you how it tastes. I believe it will be divine. It's absolutely delicious. But for me, it's a little too sweet. If you're somebody who has diabetes or you're not allowed to take sugar, you might want to use the green plantain. It has a lot of resistant starch. You get all the benefits without spiking your sugar. All right, but if you're not, and every now and then you want to indulge in this, that's great. Please try it, like, subscribe, and share. And everything that we've used today, including this dish here, I'm going to attach to my video. All you need to do is click on Amazon and you can buy that. All right? Please feel free to comment and let me know what you think. Until tomorrow, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Have a great day.